Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on VIVO V60 Lite. Okay, but before we begin, I will tell you that this video is for people who already have their backup created. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing everything step by step, so if you want, you can watch that video. And now, before we begin, we need to open up the settings and let's make sure that we are logged into proper Google account. Because if you will be logged into wrong account, there's a huge chance that you won't be able to restore your chats. So open up the settings, find the Google, and in here make sure that you are logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup before. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. You can see that the app welcomes us. You can select your language, then click on agree and continue, click on allow, and now type your phone number, then click on continue. We also need to verify it using one of the two methods. It can be called from the SMS message or missed call function. I always pick the second option because in my opinion it works much better. Okay, once you have verified yourself, just like me, I will use the missed call. Okay. You should have something like that, contacts and media. Now, click on continue. Now allow for everything. Now select restore from backup and click on continue. Remember that if you don't do it right now, you won't be able to do it later. Okay, and now all of our chats are being restored. You can also see that we are restoring from this account. That's the account on which I made the backup. And that's also the account that I have shown you in the settings. Okay, to have messages restored, click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you are interested in, and then click on next. Okay, and now as you take a look, all of the messages including videos, photos and normal messages has been successfully restored. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.